Hello, folks, and welcome back. I hope all of you are doing well. I've been given this question many times by people I meet around, and also some of you online. That how can we build a professional, or rather, a personal development plan for myself? So the answer is very simple. Excel we use to organize ourselves. We drive so many things. So I will record a set of sessions where I will go gradually, step by step, how you can develop your own personal development plan using Excel. I'll keep it very, very simple. But at the end of the series, if you follow me, you will have your personal development plan ready for you. And I always suggest professionals to keep it up to date, follow your passion and ambition in a very structured and organized way. So this is what we're going to do. This series is going to help you with fundamentally setting up how you can have your own personal development plan. But we'll start with some questions because you cannot simply copy and paste a personal development plan or a training series or set of trainings from one person to another. I believe in customizing and tailoring it for ourselves so that it's more effective and it takes us to the direction we want to move forward with. So, having said that, I'm going to start this series with a series of questions. The first session, we are going to fundamentally ask ourselves a few questions. So, let me write it down here. Question number one: who am I? So this question is about understanding what is my role, what is my responsibility, um, how long I have been in current role, and most importantly, what are my current strengths and strengths and weaknesses, and list them down. So your answer must be comprehensively defining what are your strengths and weaknesses, and what is your learning style. How do you like to learn? Do you like online classes? Do you like face-to-face sessions or stuff like that? Or you go on a very specifically structured classroom training? Just figure it out, and we'll talk about this. So please write it down for yourself. Then the next question is, or rather, set of question is about what are your goals? So what do you want to achieve with your trainings and your development? So what is your goal of training and development? So this is important that you list it down. Are you looking for some new roles? And if yes, then what kind of roles that you're looking for? And this will help you to set up your trainings and development plan as well. You want to just learn something, for example, a skill or a tool or something. And more importantly, do you see any gaps in your performance in your current task? Like, let's put it like this. So once you have these two questions answered for yourself, we'll move on to the next steps and setting up this particular spreadsheet. We'll go step by step. We'll create sheets which are going to help you to navigate through your training plan. So please take some time, reflect on yourselves, and by the end of this week, let's say by Friday, put down some of the thoughts around these three questions. Just put a simple paper and write it down, or an Excel spreadsheet, put it down, because we will utilize these answers and your thinking process to build up your development plan. So that's one part of it. I will continuously have these sessions so that gradually you can learn and develop yourself. I hope you're going to enjoy this and you will stay in tune with me in these Excel series, which are definitely fundamental for setting up your future. I will pause here for today and looking forward to see you guys in the next session. Till then, stay safe and take very good care of yourself. Ta-da.